delicious homemade mutton shorba biryani, affordable and easy for beginners. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel kitchen. Today, we have a special treat for you, homemade mutton shorba biryani. Don't be intimidated, because we've got a beginner-friendly recipe that's not only delicious but also budget-friendly. So, let's dive right in. Let's start with the ingredients you'll need. Don't worry, these are all readily available and won't burn a hole in your pocket. Ingredients: 1. 500 grams mutton, cut into pieces. 2. 2 cups basmati rice. 3. 1 cup yogurt. 4. 2 large onions, thinly sliced. 5. 2 tomatoes, chopped. 6. 1/4 cup cooking oil. 7. 2 tablespoons ghee. 8. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. 9. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. 10. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. 11. 1 teaspoon cumin powder. 12. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. 13. Whole spices, 2 bay leaves, 4 to 5 green cardamom pods, 4 to 5 cloves, 2-inch cinnamon stick. 14. Fresh coriander and mint leaves for garnish. 15. Salt to taste. Preparation: mutton marination. First things first, marinate the mutton. In a bowl, mix the mutton pieces with yogurt, ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, red chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, and salt. Make sure each piece is well coated. Cover and let it marinate for at least 1 to 2 hours or overnight for more flavor. Preparing the rice. While the mutton is marinating, let's work on the rice. Rinse the basmati rice under cold water until the water runs clear. Soak the rice in water for about 30 minutes. This will help the rice cook evenly. Cooking the rice. In a large pot, bring water to a boil. Add a pinch of salt and the soaked rice. Cook until the rice is 70 to 80% done. We want it slightly undercooked, as it will finish cooking with the mutton later. Strain the rice and set it aside. Begin cooking mutton shorba. Now, let's move on to the star of the show, our mutton shorba. In a heavy-bottomed pan, heat oil and ghee over medium heat. Add the whole spices, bay leaves, cardamom pods, cloves, and cinnamon stick. Sautéing onions and tomatoes. Next, add the thinly sliced onions and sauté until golden brown. Once the onions are golden, add the chopped tomatoes. Cook until the tomatoes are soft and the oil starts to separate. Cooking marinated mutton. Now, it's time to introduce our marinated mutton to the party. Add the mutton along with the marinade to the pot. Cook on medium-high heat until the mutton is nicely browned. This step is crucial for building flavor, so don't rush it. Layering the biryani. Once the mutton is browned, it's time to layer our biryani. In the same pot, spread half of the partially cooked rice over the mutton layer. Sprinkle a pinch of saffron water or a few drops of yellow food color for that beautiful biryani color. Add the remaining rice on top of the first layer. Drizzle some ghee over the rice to keep it moist. Garnish with fresh coriander and mint leaves for that burst of freshness. Dum cooking. Now comes the magical part, dum cooking. Seal the pot tightly with aluminum foil or a tight-fitting lid. This will trap the steam and allow the rice to cook in the flavors of the mutton. Cook on low heat for about 20 to 25 minutes. Unveiling the biryani. And here it is, our homemade mutton shorba biryani is ready. The aroma is irresistible. Let's unveil this beauty. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. Look at those perfectly cooked rice and succulent mutton pieces. Garnish with some fried onions for that extra crunch. Let's dig in. The flavors are incredible: the tender mutton, the aromatic rice, and that shorba. This is biryani perfection. There you have it, an affordable and beginner-friendly homemade mutton shorba biryani. Give it a try and impress your family and friends. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our Multi-Recipes and Cookeries channel for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking! Thank you very much, mutton shorba biryani lovers.